My submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute res judicata. This judgment doesn't constitute res judicata.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This
One
judgment is
second.
void.
Please listen to me. You're not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No,
file an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
I'm not. I'm in the matter. I'm saying. I am saying.
We have no such application on board. Let it be circulated. We'll deal with it in the normal course.
But Lord, I am respectfully submitting.
Sorry, appearing for big clients, we will not tolerate this. You have to follow the rules in my court.
But Lord, if your Lordship make an order today, my application will be infructuous. I am saying kindly defer the issue of grant of alphanumeric.
Mr. you are aware of what proceedings were going on. You could have intervened at that stage. What is this after the judgment is passed? You want to intervene now?
No, Lord, the order is of 15th March.
No, but you are aware about the proceedings pending before this court.
But we were not parties anywhere. We were not parties at any time.
Everybody, the whole world knew that this matter was being heard.
Lord, I have
come back 1 second, Mr. Rodgi. You come here after the judgment is delivered. You are now, you file an application. That's not the way.
Lord, I have come only in regard to 15th March. Kindly appreciate.
No, Mr.
I have no problem in declaration of the list of donors or the list of recipients.
Mr. Rodgi will not hear you right now. We have a specific application which is on board. You ask your advocate on record to follow the procedure. File an email. It will be dealt with by my registrar listing. We'll take a.
No. I am saying no, kindly.
If I do it for Mr. Rohatgi, senior counsel, then Mr. Rohatgi, you look at me. As Chief Justice, I have no face to tell all the other juniors to whom I declined list mentioning in the morning. What's sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander.
I am not mentioning. I am not appearing in the matter and making a submission.
We have no such application on board before us.
Lord, I have got it with.
I've made myself.
My Lord, the entire judgment has.
1 second. You wait. One at a time. Sorry, Mr. Rodgi. Yes.
No, my Lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute res judicata. This judgment doesn't constitute res judicata.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This judgment is void.
Please listen to me. You're not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my Lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my Lord, the question is, my Lord.
There's no question you've got.
My friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No further.
We will go by what your Lordship.
All, please.
Whatever your Lordship says, we will go by that.
Do you want another contempt notice?
No, my Lord, your Lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
Lordship
to
says.
Bombay.
Only I have said what I wanted to say. That this judgment is rendered behind the back of the people of this country. It doesn't bind us. It doesn't constitute us. It is not a representative.
Do not, please, once we have said no, please move the application by email.
What your Lordship says.
Do not continue and persist.
Yes, I only said it was not a representative proceeding.
You are
all the way coming from Kerala.
You are obstructing in the administration of justice.
Pardon, my Lord?
You are obstructing in the process of administration of justice.
The entire judgment is against behind the back of these people. Parliament has been rendered irrelevant.
That's all. That's all. We heard that. Please, that's all. You made it. We will not hear you till you follow the procedure prescribed.
We are filing it.
Please do.
We are filing it.
Please do. We'll consider it afterwards.
That's it. 10 o'clock. My friend came from Kerala to took a 1 o'clock flight. Be kind to us.
That's all, please. We will not hear that.
Democracy.
Please call for the application. Please follow the application.
My lord, may I mention, my lord, my petition for suo motu that is pending. Whatever lordship want to do, that do only. I will not disturb lordship.
Mr. Agarwala, apart from being a senior counsel, you are the president of the SCBA.
Yeah.
You should know the procedure. You have written a letter to me asking me to invoke my suo motu jurisdiction.
Yes, my lord.
No locus to mention
So
anything.
that I should not disturb lordship. We should not waste it honorable time, court's time. That's why.
Lord,
only that.
These are all publicity-oriented stunts. We will not permit it.
Whatever lordship feel better.
Mr. Agarwala, please keep it at that. I may have to say something more, which will be perhaps a little distasteful. Please close it.
It is enough now. It is enough.
65-year-old man, Lord.
Be kind to us, later. We are very polite and begging with your lordship. The lordship has used a soft language.
Tripura, we have been telling you that you are interfering, you're obstructing us.
No, no, no.
What is
Look
that?
at this.
Now, if you don't stop, we will have to.
When we are not heard and we feel threatened. Sorry, Lord.
Follow the line.
Yes, Pala. Yes, hearing now. We issued notice on the last occasion to State Bank of India. Mr. Kapoor, you are appearing? You are appearing for
I
the,
appear.
Mr. Salve is also there.
for the State Bank?
That's right.
Yes.
But I appear for the State Bank.
Yes. Mr. Salve, in
Yes.
our order which we, in the judgment which we delivered, we had expressly asked State Bank of India to disclose all details. The language of the judgment was all details have to be disclosed. Therefore, that includes the bond numbers as well. So, let SBI not be selective in the disclosure of details. We intend to clarify that it shall disclose all details, including the bond numbers, and every part of the information which is in its possession and custody. Don't wait for an order of the court. We banked on the fact that the State Bank of India would be candid and fair to the court.